You think you know me?
Christopher David Lawson of NEPA. What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be installing the Denali Mini SoundBomb on my Indian Scout 60. I'm tired of the quiet horn that they put on the stock for Scout 60, pretty much a scooter horn. So let's go ahead and hear what the stock horn sounds like, and we'll switch this one out. So that's what the stock horn sounds like. Let's go ahead and switch over to the mini bomb from Denali. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this 10mm nut off the back of the stock horn, and then I'm going to unplug this horn. I'm going to try and hook the Denali right up to the stock bracket. Alright, before I actually get it all put on there, I wired it up. I just plugged it into the stock wiring harness. I'm going to go ahead and see if it works, make sure I have it on the right way. Alright, looks like that's okay. I just got to go ahead and mount it up on the stock bracket now. Okay, the Denali's on there. I took the stock bracket and moved it forward just a little bit. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the Denali looks like on the other side. Alright, that's what the Denali looks like from underneath here. It fits right in the stock space of the other horn. There are louder horns out there, but this is a good one that could fit right in the stock space without using any extra wiring or relays. Alright, let's go ahead and listen to it. Sounds pretty good from those angles. What's this sound like from the rider's perspective? Not too bad. Definitely a lot louder than the stock horn. Alright, so there you have it. Simple job. If you want to change out to a louder horn on your Indian Scout or Scout 60, go with the Denali Mini SoundBomb. It's an easy fix. All it took me was one tool, a 10mm wrench, and it's 113 decibels, a lot louder than the stock silly horn that they put on the bike. But thanks for checking my video out. This is just a quick one to show you an easy horn upgrade for your bike. Thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.